if you're experiencing FPS drops in FIFA 24, calibrating your settings can help improve performance. Follow these steps to optimize your game experience. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Make sure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website and NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers, as updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Launch FIFA 24 and navigate to the settings menu. Lower the graphics settings such as resolution, texture quality, and shadow quality. This can help reduce the load on your system and improve FPS. Step 3. Optimize system performance. Close any unnecessary background applications that may be consuming system resources. Use the task manager to end tasks that are not needed while playing FIFA 24, freeing up CPU and RAM for the game. Step 4. Configure power settings. Go to your computer's power settings and set it to high performance. This ensures that your system is using maximum power to run the game, which can help reduce lag and improve your FPS. Step 5. Monitor temperature and hardware. Check the temperatures of your CPU and GPU while playing. If they are overheating, consider cleaning your hardware or improving airflow in your case. Overheating can lead to throttling, which causes FPS drops. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce FPS drops and enhance your gaming experience in FIFA 24. Enjoy your game.